and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Decision about Kasturirangan and Gadgil report on Western Ghats on 4th June. MoEF to have joint meeting with Goa CM in New Delhi. Karnataka completes retaining wall at Khalsa Canal. AG confirms to Prudent. Monitoring committee to visit the site next week. Juvenile board lodges a complaint against attackers in the Kasturirangan assault case. Police flung in action. Victims still untraceable. Production of ore in India drops by 50% following Supreme Court order on Odisha. Steel industry in crisis, may have to import ore, steel price to go up. And Tottenham Hotspur Foundation coaches feel satisfied with outcome of Special Olympics Bharat Coach Development Program in Goa and Gujarat. Now news in detail. Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar has said that 4th June meeting with Goa CM and others at Delhi will decide the fate of Kasturirangan and Gadgil report on Western Ghats. He further said that environment preservation and development can go hand in hand. He also stated that Union government will try its best to start mining in Goa as soon as possible.
पाणीच्या प्रश्नासंदर्भात आणि एकूणच पर्यावरण रक्षण कसं करायचं आणि विकास कसा साधायचा या संबंधामध्ये चर्चा करण्यासाठी 4 जूनला आम्ही दिल्लीमध्ये पर्यावरण मंत्रालयामध्ये बैठक बोलवली आहे आणि त्याला गोव्याचे मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर आणि संबंधित सगळे अधिकारी येणार आहेत आणि पर्यावरण खात्यातर्फे मी आणि आमचे अधिकारी आणि अन्य ज्यांची जरूर आहे अशा सर्व लोकांना त्यात बोलवू आणि म्हणून या संबंधातली जी व्यावहारिक भूमिका आहे ती आम्ही निश्चितपणाने घेऊ.
Prakash Javadekar, who holds the information and broadcasting portfolio, informed that center was all set for third and fourth phase of digitalization. Only a crucial decision regarding procurement of set-top box is pending.
We are now taking a decision on in stage 3 and stage 4 of digitization. 11 crore TV sets are involved. 11 crore.
So what about the back?
Means 11 crore set-top box will be imported. So whether it's the importing is the best option or whether to give stimulus to the local industry.
Javadekar was on a very short visit to Goa on Saturday. Minister will visit the state again on 2nd June. Thereafter, CM Parrikar will leave for Delhi on 3rd June to attend the crucial meeting on Goa mining and environment. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Khalsa Canal over Madhe has been completely blocked on Saturday. Madhe Tribunal's order has been followed as 31st May was the last day to complete the task. Advocate General of Goa Atmaram Nadkarni confirmed to Prudent that monitoring committee will visit the site anytime during next week. Tribunal is yet to decide upon the quota of water distribution of Madhe for Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka.
Mahadari Tribunal had earlier ordered Karnataka government to construct a retaining wall to stop the Goan water gushing into Khalsa Canal. The last date for constructing the wall is 31st May. Goa team had visited Khalsa Canal for inspection. At that time, the work was 90% complete. Goa government also has officially confirmed that the work is done. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni has said that monitoring committee might visit the site at any point of time after Sunday.
ट्रायब्युनलान अपॉइंटेड केल्ल्या मॉनिटरिंग कमिटीचो एक मेंबर सुपरिटेंडिंग इंजिनियर मिस्टर पाटील थंय गेल्लो. He has gone there today evening. He has inspected both the sites and he just called me to inform me that Karnataka has completed the work in accordance with the tribunal's order. Now the monitoring committee will go tomorrow morning and we'll check it up again. They will go anytime after tomorrow. It may go tomorrow, day after, or anytime. Correct. This is not the end of the battle. This is only a beginning of the battle. But in the beginning of the battle, we have succeeded in getting an interim order, which is against Karnataka, so that the Madhe water is not diverted.
Okay, sir.
Now the matter will go for a full dress trial.
Environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar confirmed that the work was completed on Saturday, but he has also cautioned Goa government to be alert.
त्यांच्यानी ही जी दोनूय तोणां आसा ही बंद करपाक यशस्वी जाल्ले आसा. गोंय सरकारान खूब दक्षता घेवप गरजेचें आसा. केवळ कळसा नाल्याचें तोंड बंद करून हो प्रश्न सुटना, कारण हो प्रश्न सुटावो जातलो आनी गोंयांक न्याय मेळटलो जाल्यार म्हादय अभयारण्य जें आसा ह्या म्हादय अभयारण्याचो विशय जो आसा तो गोंय सरकारान लावन धरपाक जाय. आतां हाच्या फुडें खरी लढाई जी आसा उदकाच्या म्हणजे जे वांटप आसा, कितले TMC गोंयांक, कितले TMC महाराष्ट्राक आनी कितले TMC कर्नाटक हाचेरूच लवादाची एकंदर भासाभास आनी निर्णय जावपाचो आसा. तेका लागून ह्या संदर्भान गोंयांक जर विजय मेळटलो जाल्यार गोंय सरकारान म्हादई अभयारण्य जे आसा त्याचो ढाली सारको उपयोग करून गोंयांक न्याय मेळोवपा खातीर प्रयत्न करपाक जाय.
Kankumbi people has already criticized their own contractor for constructing the wall with low-grade material. They also alleged the Karnataka government of making waste in haste. Now the monsoon season will reveal the real quality of this retaining wall. Uday Parab for Prudent.
State Juvenile Justice Board has taken strong cognizance of the attack on 2 youth at Kasturirangan, in which one of the victims was a minor. Board member Oda Viegas has lodged a complaint at Kepe police station against the attackers who took law into their hands and inhumanly assaulted the 2 youth. Police have flung into action following the complaint. They are trying to trace the attackers.
This WhatsApp video went viral in Kepe, Sangyan, Kukari area on Thursday. Video shows how a group of youngsters inhumanly stripped and assaulted 2 youth, suspecting them to be the thieves of Kasturirangan. One of the victims is a minor boy. Auda Viegas, member of State Juvenile Justice Board, has lodged a complaint against the unruly mob which attacked the 2 youth. Auda says incident happened on 22nd of May and she was already addressing the case representing the minor. But the video which has been made viral has shocked her.
On the 23rd, a minor child was produced before me for admission. I noticed that the child had been admitted to hospital on the 22nd, and on 23rd he had still minor injuries on his body and he needed care and protection. However, I passed an order asking the police to find out who had assaulted the child and to take action against the person who had assaulted the child. Yesterday evening, I saw a video of the whole incident which has been filmed and is being circulated. Now this is a gross violation of the Juvenile Justice Act. Therefore last night I have filed a complaint with the Kepe police to take action against the perpetrators of this heinous crime.
After much hullabaloo of this incident on media, police have flung into action. PI of Kepe, Ram Asre, has started investigating this case and at present is trying to trace the perpetrators of the crime. Victims are untraceable, culprits are at large. Savio Dias and Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.